Babe, as the moment, you're single.
No, I'm not. I'm fucking single. Fuck off.
Okay, we'll change only the story.
What?
This is the context of what I will tell you now
Right.
about they are calling Filipino are scammers.
Oh, yes, Filipino
Okay.
scammers.
So right, for example, now, at this moment,
Well, I don't think
we'll say,
I don't think all Filipinos are scammers.
okay, listen first.
Okay.
Okay, so as the moment, you are single and you are having a
Baby.
Filipina that is you're not seeing each other still. You are you are on a
She's forgot.
dating app,
I'm on a dating app.
talking, video calling, but you are not yet meet personally. Okay,
Okay.
so this is the situation.
Yes.
But you like this Filipina and the Filipina likes you as well, so it goes well
Yes. Very good.
talking on the internet. Okay, so one day she opened up about hard times.
Yes.
Like, my mom is sick, she needs a financial something, but she's not really straightforward to you asking something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's making roundabout
Yes,
suggestions.
like this, so on and so forth. Then after that, because of course you feel the empathy, you want to give something, emotional
Yes.
something.
Support.
So I support, yes. And then of course you will ask, oh, I'm so sorry, what happened? I didn't. So you need some help like this, or you want something, you need something or what? And then he said, yes, we're running out of money, and we need 4,000 pesos at this time.
Right.
And then that time you sent the 4,000 pesos.
Okay.
Then after a couple of months, it didn't work out, the relationship that you had, that you're already like, you're in good terms in online, video calling and everything.
Uh-huh.
And so on, hopefully you are planning also to meet her in the Philippines, but it didn't work out in a
Right.
couple of months. Then you ended up. So you can call this Filipina as a scammer or not?
No, I wouldn't say she's a scammer if it didn't work out for whatever reason.
Yeah.
Yeah. If it's consistent, keeps asking for money and money and money, and you've never met, then maybe they are a scammer. But I wouldn't even be sending them money anyway, because you're not really in a relationship unless you've met them. You don't know these people. I'm like, you need to ask your family or ask for government help. Everybody has tough times. I could do the same thing.
But that time you helped her.
Yeah.
Then after a couple of months, it's ended up like this because for some reason it didn't work out.
Yeah.
It ended. So
Well, if it didn't work out, it didn't work out.
so you can't call that Filipina
A loss, yes.
a scammer?
No.
No.